Fellas, what's the matter? It was good, but I gotta be honest. I could have used a little more cowbell. So, let's take it again, and this time, Gene.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to explore the studio space.
Yeah.
I mean, really, Gene, explore the space. All right. Let's take it again. No, I'm telling you though, alright, not too much. You're gonna want that cowbell on the track. Alright, let's take it again. 2, 3, 4. The cock of the walk, baby.
If Bruce Dickinson wants more cowbell, we should probably give him more cowbell.
Say it, baby.
And you know what, Bobby? I am being selfish. The last time I checked, we don't have a whole lot of songs that feature the cowbell.
I gotta have that cowbell, baby.
I'm doing myself a disservice, and every member of this band fighting for the hell out of this.
Guess what? I got a fever. And the only prescription is more cowbell.
I think maybe I'll just come back tomorrow.
Oh, baby, baby.
Why don't you lay down that cowbell one more time? It does. Yeah. Really be there? Speaks for all of us.
Babies, after today, y'all be wearing gold-plated diapers.
What does that even mean?
Never question Bruce Dickinson. All right, let's roll it again.
1, 2, 3, 4.